Bird! 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 Bird!
I guess you could say this video is going to the birds.
Can I get some flappies? Maybe? Can I get some wing flaps? Ah, that's what I'm talking about. That's the wingspan. Yeah. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Tuck up those tail feathers, cause if it tastes like chicken, it belongs in this dragon's hoard of memories. Let's get ready for takeoff, as we'll be soaring with a bunch of feathered, scaly, flappy things and everything in between. And sometimes it's the wings in our hearts, and not the wings on our backs, that let us soar. So let's check out a bunch of stylish scalies, and some fabulous feathered friends, and maybe a few surprises in between. One thing's for sure is that these things with wings drive me batty. So if you're flying in from afar, you're cleared for landing at Boop Snoot International. These dragons showcase the uniqueness of their draconic design stylings, with none using the exact same materials or techniques, giving us a great comparison of the many visual stylings of the furry fandom. This is my favorite design of the con, bar none. If you know who made this suit, let me know. I want to get a kite head like that. And this Kieran design drives me crazy. I love everything about it. And speaking of creative designs, dino masks are some of the most special scaly suitors, with how each one is a unique reflection of its wearer's self. Tell me in the comments, do you like your noodles thin or thick? I said this in the last video, but respectfully, I would like some salmon sushi after seeing this suit. And speaking of tasty, wouldn't you say this mochi raptor is pretty sweet? Egg-headed philosophers from ancient Rome theorized that featherless bipeds are how you categorize a man, so I guess these feathered bipeds are technically birds. And you can definitely say we dearly love birds. Whether you have fingers or flappies, or maybe you're plucked until you only have the wings on your back. I guess you could say birds of a feather flock together. You come up with the bird puns next time, that's all I got. I mean, I guess I could call a Bali Cosmic KFC for like the 5th time. Y'all like that, right? Yeah, they love it! Just like birdwatching, you better have your camera ready, or you might miss something special. But I'm sure you can see what makes this corvid an eyeful. Hey, you were in the scaly part. Get out, you mochi raptor, it's bird time. So we've been talking about this during the stream while I'm editing these, and my camera loves to autofocus on human faces inside of fursuit mouths, and now you can't unsee it. You'll see it every single time, and it's the most hilarious thing ever. I love it. So yeah, drop by to my live streams where you can, I guess, feed me mac and cheese or whatever the heck this viewer is doing. But there's nothing mawful about these moving jaws. I absolutely love them because these birds are just built different. Wait, I'm done with the mouth jokes, don't run away. And this head is beautiful with its use of geometric shapes and sharp angles. It is certainly a unique take on the bird fursuit. Oh man, I'm late with my joke. I was gonna say the early bird gets the quick draw. Should I have said the quick draw gets the worm? Anyway. And speaking of quick draws, the only thing sharper than this bird's talons are its Isen one-stroke strike. Samurais and cowboys are some of my favorite fantasy themes, so I'm really glad that we're seeing a lot of Western themes at this year's con circuit. And what better way to end than the juxtaposition of fierce and fancy that we have on display here. Now that we've been dragging our tails, furred dragons with an eastern flair are some of my favorite. It just goes to show you that scales don't necessarily make the scaly. And I asked earlier in the video, do you like your noodles thick or thin? So make sure you tell me in the comments. So don't be shy and make sure to catch a fluffy dragon before it catches you. Do sharks have scales? Do they count as scalies? I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think. Whether scales or feathers, fingers or flappers, I hope you enjoyed coming with me and seeing all of these tastes like chicken fursuits. And if you see me at a convention next time with my camera, come by, say hello, don't be shy. I might record your memories to be shared all across the world. I'll see you all next con.